So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on inside of the form settings. You can also do this inside of your surveys or quizzes that you create to turn on the feature to be able to generate a PDF to be sent to you. So let's go ahead and navigate to that. What we're going to do is go to on the menu on the left, we're going to go to Sites, and then we're going to go to Forms here at the top. And then let's pull up one that we already have created. So if I click on one of the ones that we've already created, what I'm going to do now is go to settings here at the top, if you see my cursor. And then we're going to scroll all the way down here to the bottom. In this section, you'll see form settings. And then you'll look down and then there is a toggle here that says generate submission document. So what we want to do is turn this on, and this says it's for automatically create a printable PDF for each submission and attach it to the contacts documents. Okay. All right. So that's how you turn on a printable PDF for each submission. This also um, you can find inside of the contacts, in the contacts card in the documents area. So that way you can pull that up there as well too. That needs to be sent out. You can send it out from there as well. All right. Make sure you hit save when you are done.